Hello students, I am Rahul Pandey and today I will teach you the fourth part of the chapter, the last lesson. Okay, so please, all the students, be ready. Whenever I looked up from my writing, I saw M. Hamel sitting motionless in his chair and gazing first at one thing, then at another as if he wanted to fix in his mind just now everything looked in that little school room. The little friend said that whenever I was writing, I noticed that my teacher M. Hamel was noticing. He was seeing all the things, okay, of the school. He was observing the classroom very attentively. And actually, means little friend said that it was due to because the teacher M. Hamel was very sad because it is the last day for me in this school, and he spent 40 years in this school in the same place. That is why he was observing the garden outside, okay, the window, and in front of the classroom, every desk, every benches, okay, he was seeing very attentively, and he was also watching the walnut trees, okay, in the garden, which were so tall. And he also noticed the hop vine, and the hop vine he had planted himself twined about the windows to the roof. That is why each and every things, each and every places, each and every corners were very memorable for my teacher M. Hamel. How it must have broken his heart to leave it all, poor man, to hear his sister moving about in the room above, packing their trunks for they must leave the country next day. And my teacher's sister was packing, okay, her trunk, okay, on the above of my classroom, and the sound of packing was coming in the class, but my teacher M. Hamel was doing his duty very carefully, although he knew very well that today is the last day for me in my class, but he was doing his duty very well. And he knew that means next day I will go the next country and I will never see this school, these children's, this classroom. Okay, so this moment was very memorable for my teacher M. Hamel, but he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. After the writing, we had a lesson in a history. Okay, and my teacher M. Hamel had much courage. That is why he was taking his class very attentively. And after completing the writing section, okay, my teacher M. Hamel taught us history. Okay, and after that he chatted us the alphabets. Okay, and old Hauser. Okay, he had his elementary book in his hand. That is why he was also reading very carefully the alphabet. Okay, taught by M. Hamel. And he put on his spectacles and holding his primer in both hands, spelled the letter with him. M. Hamel was speaking first, and after that, the old Hauser and others were repeating the alphabet words uttered by M. Hamel. You could see that he too was crying. His voice trembled with emotion, and it was so funny to hear him that we all wanted to laugh and cry. And whenever my teacher M. Hamel was teaching alphabet at that time, we can feel that means there was a feeling of okay weeping in his pronunciation, but he was doing his job very well. And we all wanted to laugh, we all wanted to cry, but we were we were not able to weep, because whenever we will weep, our teacher will be so means sensitive at that time. And we knew very well that it was our last lesson. All at once the church clock struck 12. Then the means it was the indication that now the it is the time of leave. At the same moment, the trumpets of the Prussians returning from the drill. Whenever the clock, okay, the clock struck 12 in the church, okay, and the church clock gave us indication that now it is 12 o'clock. In the meantime, we heard, okay, the trumpet sound of Prussian soldier, and they were returning completing their drill and sounded under our windows. So after that, when M. Hamel listened the sound of Prussian soldiers drilling, so he stand up, okay, from his chair, and the little friend said that I never saw him look so tall. And he stood up, and he said, my friends said he, but something choked him. He could not go on. He wanted to say something, but due to his emotion, okay, his sadness, he was not able to speak a single word. That is why his throat did not allow him to speak a single word, and he could not go on. So after that, what he did, he returned to the blackboard and took a piece of chalk, and beating on with all his might, he wrote as large as he could, "Why la France?" Means he wanted to tell us that now it is a time of farewell. Okay, okay, goodbye France. He wrote as a large, okay, letter on the blackboard that goodbye France. Now I am going. Okay, after that, then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall, and without a word, he made a to gesture to us with his hand. School is dismissed. You may go. And after writing these sentence on the blackboard, okay, whenever he stopped and leaned his head against the wall, and he went near the wall, and do you know, means the writer told us that Miss M. Hamel began to weep, going near the wall. He began to weep. Really, anyone can weep at that particular time. And without a word, he made a gesture to us with his hand. And after waiting, whenever he became so emotion, okay, so sensitive at that time, he wanted to tell us very something. Okay, he had many means words, he had many things to tell, okay, to deliberate. But we know very well that whenever we are sad, so having a lot of desire to speak, okay, against anyone, we cannot speak because our heart is weeping, no? So that is why at that particular time we cannot weep. So that is the same feelings about M. Hamel. Means just think that spending 40 years in one institution and doing job in one institution as a teacher. So whenever you do job in any means company, okay, any firm, okay, any factory or any school or any means particular places, and after doing job 3 years 4 years, you have very good attachment, okay, with that institution. And after doing 4 years job, if anyone will say you that okay, please go from here, and due to some reason if you wanted to go from that place, okay, so what will happen at that time? Do you know very well, students? Means at that time, means you will not feel well. You will you begin to think that what will happen whenever I will go the next institution, the next organizations, okay, how the feeling will be of that means boss, okay, the owner of the company, and how will he treat with us, and how shall I adjust there whenever I will go there. So lots of means things comes in the mind of human beings. It is the tendency of the human beings, okay, it is the psychology. That is why M. Hamel was very sad, and means he wanted to see very very means big content at that time. And do you know, means the writer wants to understand does that how much contributed and dedication M. Hamel had for his duty. Although he knew very well that today is my last class, okay, last lesson I have to teach. So he can say that, sorry, today is the last day for me, and sorry, I cannot teach you, I cannot take my class today. And every students can give him farewell, okay, farewell party. But he was very much dedication towards his work. That is why he went, okay, in his class, he taught very well. And after completing his classes, whenever he thought that means now the time have over, okay, then after that he began to weep, going near the wall, and he made a gesture to us with his hand, and he said that okay beta, now I am going, okay, take care of yourself. God bless you. Okay, and read your subject very attentively. And now school is dismissed and you may go, means you may go your house. So it was the indication by M. Hamel in the end of the chapter. So dear my students, now this chapter by video, okay, now it is completed. And I hope that, means in class, in online class, by the help of this video, okay, you will definitely understood the first lesson, the last lesson of your syllabus. And this is the question answer, NCRT question answer. And you will complete it in your fair notebook. And from tomorrow I will narrate you, okay, by the help of video, the next chapter. Okay, so keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you.